up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. I thought I would do an updated video on my polar pod and let you guys know exactly what I think about it now. Okay, I definitely want to start out by saying I still absolutely love it. It never gets easier, but it is so incredibly worth it every single time. I am finding about once a week, it's time to drain the water and put fresh water in. It starts getting murky and dirty. And as you can tell, Bear doesn't mind this at all. Please remember to shut that valve, close off that drain before you start putting water in. Trust me, I have forgotten several times. I just take a towel and wipe out the dirt on the inside and get it nice and clean before I put the fresh water in. Time to fill this bad boy back up. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your water pressure, to get it filled back up. It's nice and ready. And once you put fresh water in, it comes out very cold. Here you can tell it's about 47, 48 degrees. I usually like it around 50 degrees, but this is gonna have to work. All right, here you see me taking some deep breaths. Like I said, this never gets easy, but it's so worth it. There's me telling myself, just get in the water. I know a lot of people have to do breath work, get really calm before they go in, but for me, I have to crank up the music. That's what gets me pumped up. That's what gets me ready to tackle this ice cold water. This is usually what happens. You see me walking around trying to get my mind right, tell myself just get in. And then you just have to go for it. You can't think about it too much. I did want to show you, this is pretty much how long it takes me to get in. A lot of times I have to listen to a song and get pumped up and then start it over again. And here we go. Okay, this is the point where the breath work is important for me. I definitely start calming myself, my mind, my body down with very deep breaths. And I usually continue this throughout the whole 3 to 4 minutes is usually how long I stay in. Like I said, I like around 50 degrees. And the breath work helps. It definitely helps me get through this. Like I said, the music helps me as well, but it takes me about 1 minute to really get things calm and control. Cold plunging for me is like a fresh start. Whether you're tired or you had a really long, stressful day, or maybe you're just grouchy or in a bad mood, if you dunk in this baby, I will tell you, you will no longer be tired, you will no longer be grouchy, and it's really like a fresh start every single time you get in. One thing I've learned about the cold plunge too, it's all about controlling your breath. And if you can control your breath, you can keep yourself calm. And once you learn that in the cold plunge, you kind of remember that in other areas of your life when something stressful happens. I'm just like, okay, if I can control my breath, I can stay calm and I can get through this. think here is the point, if you can kind of see the water shaking, my body starts shivering, my teeth start chattering, and I still really have to control my breath and my mind and stick it out till, you know, the 3 or 4 minutes. Here is a list of some health benefits on cold plunging or doing the ice therapy. Also check out my video where we actually unboxed the Polar Pod and set it up. You can see how easy it was to set up. I will link that video here. Usually the last 30 minutes of me being in the cold plunge, I usually dunk my face in. I know a lot of people actually just go completely under, but do you know how long it takes to dry all this hair? So I just dunk my face in. My reaction of getting out kind of tells all. It is completely worth it, like I said.
Oh, woo! Oh, so worth it. Oh, gosh, you feel so good afterwards. Oh, now I gotta warm up. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have my nice warm clothes on now. It does take me a few minutes to get warmed back up. I like to do some movement, walk around to get warmed up. I cannot wait for the spring, summer when the sun is out and I can go get warmed by the sun and go ground afterwards. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I can't even tell you how good I feel right now. After you start warming up, you get this almost like, I don't know how to describe it other than this lightness. Everything feels light, everything feels so relaxed, and your mood is enhanced so much. I'm ready to go tackle my day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please, if you want to try the Polar Pod that I have, I'll put the link down below and I can get you guys a discount. It's a very inexpensive Polar Pod and it is 100% worth every single penny and more. Have a great day, guys.